Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna review, whoops, my lash is behind. I can talk. I just ordered this on Sephora and I want to review this video right here. I am not talking well today. I want to review this palette right here. I know a lot of you guys already have it, but I haven't had the chance to get it, but it was 50% off on Sephora. I'm not sure if it is still 50% off, but I went ahead and bought it. We're gonna see how it is today. So we're gonna create today a New Year's Eve look. So if you guys do want to watch the video, please stay I can't talk. Please stay tuned and watch the video. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so this is the palette. It's so, oh my god, it's so pretty. I really like it. In person it looks way different, and you can see the colors over here. I already went and did my eyebrows off camera, so we're just gonna get straight to the video. Today we are only gonna use two colors, which is OG, which is this light brown color that I'm using right now, and Gemini, which is a gold shimmery color that you guys are gonna see later on the video. But right now all we have to do is just get a flat brush and pack the OG color on your crease. We're not blending right now, we're just packing it on the crease, kind of to give it more depth. So that's, for me, that's how I get the really dark, you know, the dark color in the crease. I feel like sometimes when you go straight into it and start blending, I don't know, I guess you gotta color a lot until you get the type of color that you want. But I actually like to do this. I like to just pack it first and then blend. Alright, so after packing the OG color on both eyelids, we're gonna go ahead and start blending with a fluffy brush. It's a very small fluffy brush. It's not too small, but in the medium size. So we're gonna go ahead and add the same color. We're gonna grab a little bit of product of OG color and start blending towards the top of our eyebrow, kind of a little bit, not too close to the eyebrow, because otherwise it's gonna look messy and we don't want that. We want to look like we know what we're doing. I'm not a professional artist, but I know a thing or two. Almost 2 years into the makeup situation. But we're gonna go ahead and keep blending that out towards our eyebrow, but not close to it. So we're just gonna blend. And now I'm gonna play some more music. Alright, as we are doing the other eye, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna blend towards the crease, a little bit above it. We're gonna kind of wing it out a little bit, and just keep doing the same thing. I will be doing my cut crease off camera like always, so I'm just gonna let you guys know ahead of time that if you do want to know how to cut your crease, I do have a cut crease video, so you guys just take your time and go through my videos. I do have a video for cut crease tutorial, so if you're interested, go ahead and watch that video, please. So we're gonna go back to the other eye and just keep blending a little more, and 1, 2, 3, boom. I already did my cut crease, So as you can see, I'm gonna start adding the second color. Surprisingly, for this makeup tutorial, I only used two colors: OG, which is the brown on top, and Gemini, which is the shimmery golden color that you see right here. Very simple color. Very excited for this palette because all the colors that I see in the palette are very promising. Anastasia Beverly Hills never disappoints me. Their colors are so easy to blend, very pigmented. Love, love, love. Again, for new beginners, when you try to add a shimmer, it's not going to be that easy to apply it. Of course, if you do add concealer first and add the shimmer, it's going to stick on more better. But you could have the options of wetting your brush first with setting spray or anything you feel comfortable with, and then adding shimmer into the brush and then packing it to your lid. That's going to work. But as most of my videos, you see that sometimes I do add it with the brush, but in my own preference, I do like adding the shimmer with my fingers. As you can see right here, I add as much as I could. It looks fine, it looks decent, but you can never go wrong with actually packing it with your finger, as you see right here. It's just, I don't know, it gives it a little more shimmer. For some reason the product attaches more to your fingers, but that's advice, a tip I will give to new beginners. So anyone that will want to start doing your makeup and you want to use shimmer, use your fingers. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy my makeup tutorial today. Look forward to the next video, which is on e.l.f.'s brand. Their brand is actually pretty affordable, so if you guys want to look at that video, stay tuned for the next one. This is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys like my makeup today, and sorry for the noise. I do have a little noisy neighbors, so hopefully you guys enjoy your New Year's Eve. This year was not the best, honestly, but I hope next year it becomes a little better for everyone. So thank you again. Please subscribe, share the video, and click on post notification button so you could get notifications when I post up another video. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.